All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, majority of people are still on the matter of Yoruba Nation or going back. Meanwhile, some set of people have taken it upon themselves right now to tell it out the way they believe it is. All right, and then this one is coming from Adijat Adenekon, and then onto this one, she has been able to make it clear that in fact, according to what she has said, she says, and I quote, namely Adijat Adenekan says, well, what I am thinking about Mrs. Modupe Onitiri Abiola is that she wants to be queen of Yoruba land because she doesn't want to hear the names of the veterans she met on the struggle again, which is not good enough at the time. That's serious. Well, according to what Adijat Adenekon had actually said, that's what she actually believed in. That's exactly what is happening, and that's exactly why the lady, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, is behaving in this manner because she wants to become the queen of Yoruba land. Well, that's serious. A lot of people right now, in fact, as I was checking my timeline, I noticed that there's been a lot of messages. A lot of people have actually said a lot about Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, that as far as this movement is concerned, she is supposed to work with the people she met in this struggle and not on the other way around. And to the extent people have been of the opinion that she talked about the declaration of Yoruba nation. And then up to now, they are still killing people on a daily basis. People are still dying. To the extent they are even attacking the Yoruba nation agitator. That if for truth, Yoruba nation have been declared, I think there should be a difference. But this time around, no difference. That the way the whole thing has been going is still worse as you can expect. Then right now, who do we blame? Well, meanwhile, according to Ade, namely, well, onto this one, Ade had been able to say that this one is so strong. Àwọn olórí burúkú olóṣó alábẹ́rírùn gbogbo yín are here for destruction. We don't need your ugly self and then that of Olosho Onidiri in Yoruba nation. Ṣàngó lásán pa ẹ̀yin wèrè bórabóra olóbò rírùn wọ̀nyí. All right, this is so strong. The truth of the matter right now is, what exactly are the leaders talking about? Are the leaders still fighting one another? Then what legacy? Where exactly are they taking us to? Because right now the people are fed up of the whole system. They keep telling us it shall be actualized in no time. In no time? When exactly? Now somebody was of the opinion that if we want to vote for Tinubu, let us know. If you people want us to still remain with Yoruba Nation, let us know. Not that you people will be sitting on the fence and then you now allow we, the followers, to be confused because right now we don't even know where we belong. They have said a lot of things about, Yoruba Nation will be declared before December 2022. December is past. Now January is going. In fact, January is gone. First month of the new year is gone. And they are telling us that, it will be better. They are telling us that Yoruba Nation will be achieved. Now, some of the people are now, in fact, they are tired of the movement. That this set of people cannot take them anywhere. So they should just let us know where we belong right now before it is over too late. Let us know where we belong. If not for Bola Tinubu, let us know. Because the way they are all acting right now is like, I will not say In fact, I will not talk about Chief Sunday Igboho. Let us exempt Chief Sunday Igboho from this matter right now. But for the rest of them, the other set of people, we don't know if they have collected a lot of money from politicians. Though rumors have been flying, but we just need to be very sure of what we're about to drop. But with what a lot of people have been talking about, they are of the opinion that most of the agitators have been paid. That is why they are keeping mute. That you will not believe it until one of them is caught. But the question I will ask is why? The way the people are suffering, it's like some sort of people actually like it, or they are actually, taking that money to run away from the country and leave the rest of the people to suffer it. Because right now we don't even understand what is going on. We don't understand what is going on. Who do we believe? Who do we believe? We have some set of people supporting Professor Banji Akintoye. Also, we also have the ones supporting Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. This set of people are actually, I don't know. I think they are one of the set of people that are setting us back. Because if you are saying you are supporting somebody like Mrs. Modupe Onitiri in the first place, you might have your own reasons. But a situation whereby the person you are supporting is not ready to listen to others, then what do you call that? Because everybody has been like, oh, Yoruba Nation not going back. A lot of people have spent a lot of money on this movement, and then getting to this level, you now want to tell them that, oh, it's one Nigeria, no more Yoruba Nation. How would that sound? Many people, a lot of souls are lost right now, innocent souls, simply because of this movement. A lot of them died simply because of what they know nothing about. And somebody is still there telling us that it will be better. Now the question has been asked, what do you people want for us? Do you want us to forget about the Yoruba Nation movement and focus on one Nigeria so that we know where we belong? And exactly what the people have been asking. A lot of questions have been asked. But one thing I always tell my people is that the only thing that can solve this is strong prayers. And I pray that the good Lord will help us all. Well, this is another one. What more can we say, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right. Thanks and God bless.